Okay, today we are going to talk about how wolves use chainsaws. So, wolves can use chainsaws every time they go crazy. And you don't understand how wolves can use chainsaws, by the way. And some reason what was that sound? Strawberry crepe? What was that sound? It's nothing. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, and so wolves can use chainsaws every time they go crazy like that. I don't know why. But, it's not actually going crazy, it's not actually that thing. Okay, I swear to God, where does this sound come from? I don't know. What is going on? What is happening? So you were the one interrupting my story about how wolves can use chainsaws because your stomach was growling? I didn't notice. What the heck? Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my video and